Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be showing you how we set up this beautiful birthday balloon garland that we made last weekend, and I hope you'll stick around.
So we inflated them ahead here at home because we only have an hour and a half to decorate at the place. So these here are the 5 inches. So we inflated them. We make them into quads.
No particular size
No,
on how you inflate them.
Yeah, because they're clusters.
So let me show you how we make this into quad.
Okay.
So you inflate two this and then duplicate, and then you just have to connect them like that. And there goes your quad.
And we're done with the 5. So now we're inflating all the 12 inches and a few of the 9 inches right now.
Like that, and then what you're gonna do, you'll find one at the end right here and grab the other balloon, the other sets of your quad, and then you'll make this into a cluster of balloons. So you just have to tie them together, both ends, and then connect, and there goes your cluster of balloon. Arrange it like that. Then you'll put this all together. There you go. I'm holding 20-pound fishing line. So this is what we're gonna use to connect all your clusters of balloon. Right there. So attach them together using your fishing line. So by the way, for the clusters of balloon, I just want to mention this, that there's no particular size on how you inflate your balloon. So you can see I'm just connecting them clusters right here, and after that I will also attach this to our backdrop stand for better support, so it's not going anywhere. And then you can always like tie it loosely, so if you need to adjust the shape or arrangement, it's easy to move it around. Right there, I attached it to the backdrop stand. So basically I just lasso the fishing line right there to your clusters of balloons. There, as you can see, I tied it again to our backdrop stand for better support in the midsection of our stand right there. So now we're just making more clusters of balloons. So this time this is white. So sorry about this, it's not really that detailed tutorial for this video because our time is constrict. It's limited time. We only have like an hour and a half to prepare this setup. And as you can see, we're still inflating some of the clusters of balloon here at the venue because it's not gonna fit in our car, so we have to do it here. You go, as you can see, I just continue on to the colors right there, clusters of balloons, and I tie it to our backdrop stand because we can't attach anything on the wall. So the owner don't like us to attach anything on the wall. So what I did at the end right here, I support it more to the other end of our backdrop stand. And you notice that there's small balloons there now. So those are the 5 inches clusters of balloon that we made at home you saw earlier. So what I did, I attached 260Q on each clusters and then, you know, tie it to one of the end of your balloon, just like that. And on the bottom here on this side, we made some organic clusters of balloons right here. And as you can see, we also added some floral arrangement right here. So I just put them in I use floral foam and I stick our flowers in there. And what I did, I tie it with our fishing line and then attach it to your clusters of balloon. And this time I have the foil 16, number 16. Again, I use our balloon glue dots since we run out of time. So we stick some glue dots right there and put it on top of your organic clusters of balloons. And as you can see, a lot of people are coming in now, so we need to be in a hurry. So guys, we're almost done with this setup. Thank you guys for watching, for always there for the support. If you're not subscribed as of yet, please do. It helps our little channel grow. There you go. I hope you guys like the color, you like the setup, and if you have any question, please let us know. My wife and I will try to answer all your questions as soon as we can. Thank you guys for watching, and once again, this is FemBamNY, and we'll see you guys in our next video, and have a nice day. Bye!